Hey, welcome back to Keith's Garage. It's Keith, and today I'm going to show you how to change the light bulbs on your GMC Sierra or Silverado. It's very easy. It's a very cool way they set this up. I have some new LED light bulbs going in. I think what I have in there now, we got some halogen blues. I can't. Okay, this one's LED, halogen blue. This one here is an HID bulb. I think the HID one is the one that's gone out. It's flickering a lot. So I don't know what happened. I don't know why I have two different bulbs. My guess is one of the HIDs went out and I put LED in there. And I just never went back and put the other LED in. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to get to the bulbs and how to replace them. It's not that hard of a job. Let me show you. Spin around. Okay, so we're on the driver's side here. It's got these little bars here that snap in. Turn this one this way and you pull it out. Put it somewhere. There's another one right here. Turn it this way and pull it out. And then what happens is the whole headlight assembly is supposed to come right out. I mean, it's getting stuck in. There we go. There you go. Whole headlight assembly comes out and you can easily get to the bulbs. Here's the bulb here. And maybe not so easily get to this bulb. All right, you can get to it over here. Yeah, look at it. These are old. This is an old school LED. Look how big this thing is. It's like a generic. There's two wires hook up to it. It's got a box on it. What else we got? And then you have your connector, your factory connector. So I'm gonna get rid of all this and put in just one of these guys. So actually, you know what? Let me kind of put this back. There we go. Perfectly back installed. I'm going to turn the headlights on. Let's see what they look like. All right, on. They should be on. Those are on. How come headlights aren't on? Okay, so these are just the regular headlights. So that's an LED. Oh man. And that's the HID. They also throw out two different colors. Let's look at the high beams. High beams are not, I mean, I never use the high beams because look how much dimmer they are. So, and compared to the LEDs, those things get smoked. So let's turn them off. Oh yeah, they're still on. I don't want them to get too hot. There we go, I just turned off. I don't want to get too hot, so I won't be able to take them off. All right, let me set the camera up. Maybe I can set it up right here. All right, let's take this apart first. Okay. So this is the original connector. This is for the LED. I'm gonna take this one off. I think what I'm gonna do is take this whole assembly off. Let me do this. Let's see what it's doing. Come around this way. Here. So anyway, I'm gonna take the whole assembly off and then change the bulb out. So this one you just turn it to the left. And this is 9005. This was the blue one. Over here. And this would be a good comparison. So you have your original bulb and you have your LED. And it's, try to do side by side. It's a little bit wider. It's not any taller, so the bulb won't hit any. So this LED won't hit anything. A little bit taller. So this doesn't. That's not going to matter much. I line these up this way. You can see it's a little bit taller. There's room. I mean, heck. The other one, this one's got a huge cooler on it. So now you just take the bulb and just put it in here. Remember which way it went in. It only goes in one spot. It's like indexed. You just turn it to the right, and that's it. It's in. Let's get this one out. This one seems like it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Yep. I'm trying to do this without any tools. Oh my gosh, it's going. It's just, I don't know. I don't really want to take this plastic piece off. Okay, now I know why I didn't do the other side. Oh, it's so tight in here. It's hitting. That's why. Maybe I did have to take this off. Man, let's see. It's hitting the plastic. I can't. All right, one side's off. Oh, here we go. Come on. It's out of the housing, I just can't get it. There's a little metal ring that holds it. That's what I'm having trouble getting it past. There we go. Holy cow. This is definitely why I didn't do the other one. Oh, and these have fans on them. All right, I'll be back. I have to get tools. I need to get this plastic piece out of the way because I can't get the big monster LED out. Okay. All right, well, I got this thing out. This has little fans on it that are just gonna die one day. This thing was going. It's corrosion all in here. And then this box. It's like old technology now. I mean, they shrunk it down to this. I had to do these adjusters right here and here. Although pretty far out. I also loosened this screw here, and then once I did that, this thing popped right out. So now this is a 9006. I'm gonna put 9006 in here. So much nicer, so much easier, and it just goes in like that. I'm gonna tighten these back down to where they were. Hopefully, alignment is still okay. And then I'll put that one in, plug it up, put it in, done, and I'll move over to the other side. If I run into trouble on the other side, I'll come over here and show you, but it should be pretty straightforward. This one has original bulb and some HID, which on this side, which looks like I can get to. There's no cover or anything to it. So I don't think it'll be a problem. All right. I'll be back in a second. I am so glad I'm changing these out. So the HID, I kind of forgot. You got this whole box for ballast. You have to mount. So there's all these other wires that go to this thing. I mean, it comes out. It should, hopefully. It's supposed to just come right out. If I can twist it. All right, I'm gonna go get a wrench, twist this to get it out, but this also has to come right here. I'm pretty sure this hole is already here. Okay, let's need two hands here. So I just had a nut and bolt. Hello, zoom in. There we go. Nut and bolt on that side. Holding this thing in. And Man, this is old technology, man. So the 9005, just like this. Come on. It's already out. No, to the right comes out. What did I say? 9005, right? Nope. This one. 9005. Goes in like this. Goes to the left. And you're done. I just need to be able to twist it. I can't get in here and twist this stupid thing. Alright, I'll be back with a wrench. I'll twist that and we'll almost be done. Alright, 2 seconds. I got some needle nose like this, twisted it, no problem. It's just there's nothing to really grab onto here. This is an HID. Old technology there. Replace it with just this. And in the past, I would have probably saved all this stuff, just in case I need it. But no, I'm not going through this again. And these are high beams. The high beams go out. I barely use the high beams. All right, so now let's get this in. It's so simple. Bring it over here. You plug these 2 wires in, and you just put it in. That's all right. So connector here. Connector low beam. Put this in like this. It's like the easiest headlight change ever. Alright, just get it in position. Take your bars. 1 bar here. Come on. It's got to line up. Let's take that one. This will help it line up. It's not lining up for some reason. Like I said, simple, easy. Something's binding up on the bottom. Yeah, the wiring. The wiring needs to go that way. Okay. Like this. Alright, so I had the wiring stuck. There. Gee. Should work now. There we go. Simple. They're in. Let's see what they look like now. Alright. Sometimes I gotta put the key in. Alright, so headlights are on. Okay, those look nice and bright. Holy moly. Okay. I don't know what the pattern looks like, but turn the high beams on. High beams. Looks good. And looks good. Let me do low beam. Let's turn the lights off. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. It's not right in the head, right in the, maybe it is. Maybe wood blind. Oncoming traffic, I don't know. Okay, well that's it. Done. So all this stuff right here, right in the trash. All this old technology, don't need it anymore. I like upgrading stuff. All right, well that's it. New headlights. Don't go take your, what year they make these things? 2001 to like 06 Chevy. Don't you can do your headlights. They're very simple. If I didn't have all this other stuff to deal with, the bigger LED, like original first version of LEDs with the fan, and the HID that was still stuck on there, I would have been done probably like 10 minutes ago. But, you know, that's why I didn't do the other ones. I mean, I think I did HIDs at the time. And then LEDs came. I don't know if anybody does these aftermarket HIDs. I don't think so. But that's all we got. We're all done. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, hit the like button. If you learned anything, go ahead and share these with whoever, maybe someone else has a truck like this and they want to know how to do the headlights. There you go. Alrighty, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.